and I'd already been impressed by Sarah's previous work, and I had a really good impression of how she was, and I liked her mannerisms, I liked her as a person. Seemed to she came across amazingly well, and I felt that I could learn a lot. I have done lots of courses to create online courses in the past, and they just haven't been as good. I could be very rude. They just haven't been anywhere as good. The experience over the 30 days was second to none. It was fantastic. Step by step, because Sarah does literally take you by the hand and take you through the steps. She doesn't waste any space or oxygen or time telling you things you don't need to know. There's no flannel there, and I have so much respect for someone that can do that without any flanneling. Also, all of the steps made sense, and they all came to fruition. All the things that Sarah said would happen if you followed those steps did happen. So subsequently, I was able to launch my lead magnet in 30 days. Honestly, can't tell you, because the actual process is like gold dust, and to be able to put the process into action and see it come to fruition in my lead magnet, which I released on the 30th day. It went out on the 30th of July to all my Facebook groups, which I had joined up following Sarah's advice. So far, I've got about 25 sign-ups just for the lead magnet. Yesterday, I also put the lead magnet onto my Instagram account, and I've had a new sign up from there too. So all of these are things which Sarah said would happen. So did the course meet my expectations? Hell yes, and then so much more, far exceeded my expectations. Sarah is a consummate tutor, trainer, instructor, leader. She's all of those things, and it's just amazing that she can do those things. And I'm a trainer. I've got about more than 20 years training experience, and I just bow down to her wisdom, her learnings, which she's sharing, her generosity, because it takes time. It's a lot to do in creating this experience. How has it changed me? Oh my gosh. Because of this program, I can now do, I think, well, at least I know I've got 3 more lead magnets in me, and I'm even more importantly, I'm currently working on a Kickstarter, which is sort of like, I'm using the lead magnet which I've released as a trailer. So it's changed me in so many things. It's restored my self-esteem. It's restored my self-confidence. It's confirmed that I can do this, and I wasn't pretending or it's basically busted through the whole imposter syndrome. So in closing, I have to say, if you are thinking about doing this course, do this course. It's fantastic. If you've thought about it, do it. If you're lingering for any way, if you have any doubts, forget them, push them aside. If you can, just do it. I can't say anything more than that. I have so much optimism now, and I feel energized, and I know I can do this course all because of Sarah Cordoner's fantastic concept to course coach. Oh, and the other thing which is fantastic was the community. The community helped in so many ways. This is a community which is built by Sarah. These are people who follow Sarah. So it's not just, it's the concept to coaching program community, and it's also the Edupreneur community, which is another Facebook group. There's so much help from there, and then from Sarah, who's always there, who's always available. The live calls, totally valuable. I attended 3 out of 4, even though I'm on a different time zone, because, and even though they were always being recorded, I still felt that I had to, because they were so great and I got so much from them. So anyone who's considering it, is thinking, oh, perhaps, or should I, just do it. Just do it. If you come across a chance to do it, just do it. Okay? Thank you, Sarah. I owe you so much. don't even know. I don't even know yet, but I know I owe you a lot. Love you. Bye.